Part 6. The one thing they all own. So what is the one thing almost every wealthy person owns? It's not a Ferrari. It's not a mansion. It's not even $1 million in the bank. It's a system that makes the right financial decision before emotions get a chance to interfere. Because wealthy people don't rely on motivation, they automate. Money enters their account, and a portion is invested before they have a chance to spend it. They pay themselves first. Then they live on what's left. Most people do the opposite. They spend first, pay their bills, buy what they want, and hope something remains at the end of the month. Usually, nothing does, but the wealthy reverse the order. Their future gets paid first. Their present gets whatever remains. And over decades, that simple habit creates an enormous difference. They also understand something uncomfortable. Every purchase is a decision about the future. When you spend $1,000 today, you're not just losing $1,000. You're also giving up everything that money could potentially become. That's why wealthy people often have rules. Wait before making large purchases. Avoid unnecessary debt. Invest consistently. Don't allow every raise to become a lifestyle upgrade. These rules may sound boring, but that's the point. Wealth is rarely built through one spectacular decision. It's usually built through thousands of ordinary decisions, repeated for years. And eventually, those decisions become automatic. That's the real secret. The richest people don't have unlimited discipline. They simply build systems that require less discipline. They don't wake up every morning asking, "Should I invest today?" The system already does it. They don't ask, "Should I spend this entire raise?" Their lifestyle may already be designed around spending less than they earn. They don't ask, "Should I wait?" They've already learned that time is one of their most valuable assets. And now, the entire mystery begins to make sense. Why do wealthy people own similar investments? Because productive assets create wealth. Why do many drive ordinary cars? Because they understand opportunity cost. Why do some wear simple clothes? Because they don't need constant validation. Why does their money keep growing? Because they give it time. And why do they all seem to make similar decisions? Because the path to building wealth is surprisingly narrow. There are millions of ways to spend money, but far fewer ways to consistently grow it. And that's why the world's richest people don't actually own the same things. They own the same principles, and that changes the meaning of the entire question.